Hello, this is Steven Horn, founder of KUDU Grills, and this is another edition of Tame the Flame. Today we quickly want to talk about the plancha, or the cast iron skillet, something that's definitely underutilized in cooking. Cast iron is one of the greatest pieces of cookery ever invented, and we wanted to force that into the conversation with the KUDU because you can do so many things with it. Now, sometimes you'll see open fire cookers where they've got stuff stacked, and if you've got a grill that's got food on it, just know there's nothing cooking above it. And how are they doing that? It might be getting smoky flavor, but that's simply not practical in a way that you cook over open fire. So what do we do at KUDU? Well, for starters, when we start our charcoal, we bring in the plancha, and we put that right above the fire so that as the embers warm up and get hot, this gets hot as well, really hot. And what's nice is it's going to retain that heat for some time. So when your embers are ready, you simply push your cast iron skillet out of the way, bring in your grill. So maybe I'm down here cooking, and I'm using almost 80% of my grill surface. I've got all this grill surface to cook directly over the open flame. And then my plancha is already warm. I bring it in here, and let's say I'm cooking vegetables alongside of a lot of hamburgers or steaks or protein or what have you, and this is cooking. Well, obviously I've got a lot of hot area over here since it's over the fire. But what's neat about the KUDU is you just can every now and then just turn that a little bit. Now this is going to stay warm, and this is getting hot. And then after a minute or so, I turn it again. And it's so simple just to sit there and spin this and keep this plancha warm the entire time. And I've got all this grill surface, and I can still raise them and lower them and things of that nature. So the cast iron is absolutely a blast. It's really wonderful to sear steaks super hot on there and then move them onto the grill to finish. Then you put in your vegetables and let those roast down and saute. And that's always a nice, wonderful way to cook with the cast iron. And then when you're done, the best part is you just take this right inside and put it on the dinner table so it stays nice and warm. You're always coming off the KUDU with everything finished at the exact same time, and it's really a fantastic product to use. So that's it for Tame the Flame with KUDU Grills, and we'll talk to you soon.